There are just two things that if we could just do these things regularly, it might change the world. And for me, that's to bear witness and to tell the truth. Hi, I'm Christine Hong, and I teach educational ministries at Columbia Theological Seminary. So I was preparing a sermon recently on Ezekiel 37, which is commonly known as the Valley of the Dry Bones. And I think that passage has some truth for us today. My takeaway from it are just two pieces, which I think are important for our times. So the first takeaway for me is to bear witness. So Ezekiel is there and he's bearing witness to something terrible that's happened. And for me, it's really the picture of genocide. And in this day and age, when our students are coming to seminary and our nation is in the middle of filling concentration camps with children, with asylum seekers that the media has almost all but stopped covering too. People who are Black and brown are shot by the police, which our taxes pay for. I mean, all of these things that we find ourselves complicit in. My hope and dream for seminarians is to learn how to bear witness to that. To be loud about the things that we're seeing in our communities, about the people who are dying, to share their names, to advocate in our government, by phone, in our communities, door to door, with our people in church, to encourage the telling of truth. In this day and age, I feel like we use a lot of euphemisms for violence. We use a lot of code words for diversity and for racism. We say things like, it's racially tinged, when we really mean it's racist or it's white supremacy. And we need to stop doing that, I think, as people who are witnessing and trying to hold systems and structures accountable. So how do we just, like the bones, lay the truth bare so that God can resurrect something different for us?